equal sharing. Draw the oranges in each child's plate as you distribute. Let us count the number of oranges in the tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 oranges in the tray. Count the children. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 children. Now each child will get how many oranges? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Each child gets 2 oranges. Draw the flowers for each vase as you distribute. Count the flowers in the bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 flowers in the bunch. Count the vases. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 vases. Each vase has how many flowers? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 flowers in each vase.